In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a smart contact form that sends auto-replies. If you've been searching for a quick and easy way to set this up, you're in the right place. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to create a contact form that not only collects information, but also automatically replies to users, saving you time and keeping them engaged. First, let's talk about the software we'll be using. It's a simple, reliable platform that gives you everything you need to create smart forms with auto-replies. The best part? I've tested most of the popular options out there, and this one stood out. If you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial for this software, available only to viewers of my channel. You'll find the link in the description below, so let's get started. To begin, create a new form on your dashboard. The software will give you a drag and drop editor, making it super easy to add the fields you need. Typically, you'll want to include fields like name, email, and message. But depending on your needs, you can add others like phone number, address, or even drop-down menus for custom selections. Once you've set up your form, the next step is to configure the auto-reply feature. This is where the magic happens. Auto-replies are key because they make your form smart by instantly acknowledging submissions. Head over to the settings section and look for the auto-reply option. It's usually under notifications or emails. Here, you can set up an automated response that will be sent to anyone who submits their information. Now, write your auto-reply message. Make sure it's friendly and professional. A simple, "Thank you for reaching out. We've received your message and we'll get back to you shortly," is all you really need. You can also personalize it by including the user's name in the reply. This can be done with placeholders like "Hi name." It's a small touch that makes the message feel more personal and less robotic. Next, configure the timing of your auto-reply. Most platforms will let you set the response to go out immediately after submission. However, you may want to set a small delay if your business operates in specific hours. You can adjust the timing according to your preference, so the response feels timely but not rushed. Once you've done that, don't forget to test the form. Submit a dummy entry, and make sure the auto-reply sends as expected. If it's working fine, you're good to go. But if there are issues, it could be related to form settings, or you might need to double-check the email configuration. Another important tip is to set up follow-up emails. Depending on your software, you might have the ability to send additional emails after the auto-reply. This is a great opportunity to engage the user further, share helpful resources, or set expectations on response times. Now, you have a fully functional smart contact form that sends an auto-reply. This tool will help keep your users engaged and provide instant confirmation that their message has been received, which is crucial for customer satisfaction. Key takeaway: a smart contact form with auto-replies is an essential feature for automating your communication and improving your workflow. Make sure to use the right software to create an easy-to-manage form, set up a personalized auto-reply, and test everything to ensure it works perfectly. Before I close, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial to the software we use today. It's linked below in the description. Take advantage of that offer and start building your smart contact form today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.